everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to split one column into multiple columns. So we can do this with the help of one tool. So first you need to select the column you want to convert, and after that you need to go to Data tab and search for Data Tools. Here you will find text to columns. Click on that. A new dialog box will appear. Here you need to select delimited and click on next. So here you need to select the delimiters. Click on space and you will find your data preview at the bottom of the dialog box. Now, if you like it, you just need to click on next, and here you need to make sure that your data is in the correct place. And you're done. Click on finish, and as you can see, the data are now separated in different columns. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.